Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. I have a great DeWalt atomic nailer deal here for you at Acme, and I'm going to show you today how you can score 2 free batteries with this as well. So a lot of people have been complaining, hey, we haven't seen any nailer deals. This was a pretty barren Labor Day tool sale season here in terms of getting any kind of deals at all on our nailers. But look at this. So at Acme Tools today, and this right here is a 24-hour deal only. This ends at like midnight tonight. I'll put a link to this nailer down in the video description below for you, along with the other deals I'm going to show you here today. And just as a disclosure, you know, every time we give you links, whether it be to Acme or Home Depot or Lowe's or Amazon, you know, those are affiliate links, and if you choose to buy your tools through our links, we'll get a small commission, and that's what helps. This is what helps us to continue to buy more tools for you folks. As you know, we do these free tool giveaways almost every month for you, and you folks know, man, we don't hold back. We give away lots of high-end tools as well, so thank you for supporting our channel that way. Now let's take a look here at this. So make sure if you want this that you get on it, but let me show you how this deal works. This is DeWalt's Atomic Series brushless 23 gauge nailer, and so normally this bare tool is anywhere from $249 to $299. In fact, they're showing it right here as $249. So this is Acme's deal of the day today. So they're giving you this free 20 volt max starter kit along with this nailer. But today only, they're giving away this free starter pack here. So is this a good deal? Well, let's take a look. Well, I think this is a stellar deal because look at this. If you go to Home Depot, you know, they're charging $249 for the same bare tool, but you're not getting anything else thrown in. So let me show you how we score these 2 batteries then. So by the way, here's the same starter kit here with the 3 amp hour battery at Home Depot, and it's $99 right now, but it's actually $20 off on sale. So their normal price is $120 on this kit. So that's the value of this kit here. So coming back here and looking at it on Acme Tools, you're paying $249 to get approximately $370 worth of tool and battery. But there's one more thing I want to point out to you, because look right here, folks. Okay, so look right over here. You see where it says rebate available? Let's check that out. So as we look here, it looks like DeWalt is also running a rebate, where if you spend $300 or more on select DeWalt 20 volt max cordless power tools, they'll give you a 4 amp hour battery, which is about $159 value. So as you can see here with this DeWalt battery rebate, this started on September 1st and it runs until October 31st, Halloween. So we have until Halloween to score $300 worth of tools from DeWalt to get this battery. So there's a couple of ways you could do this. So you could buy this deal of the day right now today from Acme Tools for $249 for the nailer, and they'll throw in that $120 battery starter kit with the 3 amp hour battery. This way, you're spending $249 and getting $369 worth of tools. Now, if you're willing to go just a little bit more, and if you're willing to find maybe $50 or more worth of other DeWalt tools, you will be spending $300, but you will be getting $528 due to the power of the buy one, get one, and the power of the rebate on the battery. Alright, so in order to get to that 300 limit, maybe there's some accessories or maybe other tools or batteries you want to get, but certainly you could go in here and look at some of these guys here, and you're going to save 15% off on them as well. There is a battery deal in here that I like. Here's this one. We were just discussing this yesterday in my other video, and a number of people had been asking about, well, I need some higher capacity batteries and a good deal. So here's the 2-pack of the 6 amp hour batteries. That's down to $179, and that's a pretty good price. Because as you can see, just as a spot check, $126 for one of these batteries over at Home Depot. Yeah, and then the other good battery deal they have here, we've seen this before, usually at Black Friday in the stores, is the 2 2s and the 2 4s for $179. So normally a 4 amp hour battery is anywhere from $99 to $119. Depending on whether they're on sale. So this kit here, it could be another one you might want to look at getting in case you needed a bunch more batteries. So this is your DeWalt deal of the day at Acme Tools. And you know, look folks, the clock is ticking on this. It's 10:30 in the morning approximately as I'm doing this video right now, trying to get it up as quickly as possible for you. So if you wanted this deal, man, hop on it now, because a lot of times good deals will sell out. You don't want to be one of these guys that comments later on, oh, I went and looked and it was sold out, bummer. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us today, folks, and happy shopping.